Why, hello there. This is the Den Shop. I'm sorry if I talk weird. I have just got the expander in today, and now I'm recording at 7:01. I have a habit of recording around 7, and then the video uploads, and I edit it, and I guess I start uploading it around 10, and it uploads the next day. I'm like, come on, Animal Jam. Like, my Monday video got uploaded for yesterday. I'm like, come on. YouTube, what are you doing to me? I blamed it on Animal Jam at first. I'm like, no, it's not Animal Jam's fault. It's all YouTube's. Hold on. I'm trying not to, like, bet. It's just awful. If anyone here has an expander, you know my struggles right now. And I just got it. I ate something. And my teeth don't even hurt. First we got to review their stem. I'm sorry, I'm talking so weird right now, I know. So we have downstairs and upstairs. Very pretty. Very cute, stylish. So, if you guys have any of those vine hanging down things, trade me 4 for a beta. I hope that's fair. I think that's fair. Probably not. I'm like, probably not. I'm sad. I'm depressed and lonely. And over here is like an item. Not item, stupid. And there's pretty brushes. And I'm gonna have like a secret area for hangout for all you people that don't come to my den. Depressing. I'm alone. I only have 6 subscribers. I'm like, come to my den. I'm alone. And like, we probably have different time zones. Sorry. I'm like, sorry about that. It's not even my fault. And that sounds rude. I'm sorry about that. I'm like, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna only have 1 diamond left. So no art of the day. No, I love having an art of the day. I already have you. I have every den in this shop. Except all the money ones. I have this one. I believe I have this one. 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 I do not have the Princess Castle. And I also have this one. Okay, so I only need the Princess Castle to complete my collection. Oh my god. I'm so sick right now. I hate being sick. Oh, by the way, I expanded my elephant art over here because it got approved today. I logged in and there it was. I'm like, yay. Because I saw I had Jamograms. So I'm like, oh my god, I need mental support. Please, someone help me. I'm dying. Oh my god. What happened to Liza's garden? Liza's garden. I've been working on it for like almost a year now. Like all the alpha dens have disappeared. Where is Greeley's? I want that emo miss. I don't like the Greeley's den right now. I want even more emo. Even more. I'm sad. Yeah, I want more emo. I want to see the emo side of Animal Jam. Oh, wow. That's very pretty. I'll have that right there. Or I can have it like on the stairs. Or as you're going up, but that doesn't look good. How about I position it? So the vine goes up on the stairs. And this, no, I don't want a beta. I'm not trying to go for that beta person den. I only have 3 betas anyway, so get some help. I don't want my den to be a spring-full den. I want it to be like a cute den where people can come and hang out as friends and they don't even know about my channel. Stop it. I want stop it. And people, But my old school probably don't even recognize my voice right now. If you're watching, never give anyone this channel. I only give my old channel, which is Poopy Crab. Poopy Crab! And I actually show my face on it, and ew. And ew! Oh god, that was ugly. I might put this upstairs. I don't like this. I'm sorry, I'm really picky with my dens. So I might just pause and decorate it and then bring it back. And just let me know, it's 7:06 right now, and I tell you the time when I come back. 7:06, remember? So basically, the upstairs is almost done. So I decided not to show downstairs, and oh my god! But upstairs is not done either. This is just it so far. Because I don't want to finish this all today. I'm just watching my own video, and I have this exact thing on. And it's from yesterday. I actually made it Monday, though, so that's how disappointing my life is. Not even using my main look. I noticed that. I'm like, no! When I was, first became an animal jam YouTuber, I thought to myself, oh my god, I cannot use anyone else's animal. I'm wearing the same animal as you see, Moon. My original was going to be a coyote, and it was. And my membership expired, and it all came undone. I didn't remember it. It was just there. So, I started up a new channel and created this. And actually, my main outfit is on my videos, my old videos, but I do not want to watch that crap. And this is all this stuff piled together. It's for upstairs. I just don't want to show you guys too much before it's completely finished. So let's get out of here. I'm going to go buy something with my remaining diamond. No, actually I'm going to make 2 masterpieces other day tomorrow. It's just so I can make up for it. For today, my failure. My dog's crying. Whoa, 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 whoa! That person's head is missing! No, you guys saw that. This is... Roll! Guys, go back to the clip and look at this girl right here in the top corner when I first go into Jamal. Oh my god, is that the real one? I'm like, oh my god, it might be. I'm sorry, he was like my childhood. He's gone now anyways. It might have been him, but you never know. Let me see if he's online. If Papari is not online, that dude's fake. No, Papari ain't online. Dude, you're damn better at being unlocked. Oh my god, that stylish outfit! Oh my god. That's beautiful. I love it. I love it. That flower crown and us. His mailbox better be not full. Cause I swear to God, a party. Fits you. Fits you. I spelled mustache wrong. Mustache. Fits you. So well. LOL. There we go. And you cannot just leave that. I will show you. Maybe one day people will know about me. I never know. People, if he adds me, Mom, charge your phone. You always have 10%. I have it on life 360. This is, you go all the way to the bottom. You pick this wolf. I'm sorry. I just did the weirdest burp ever. excuse me would be the proper thing to say. You don't give him no hearts. You don't deserve them. These are Paul's. Paul 5. 4. Yes, it's it! I'm so... I'm just like, no! Why? You can't do that. You're a bully. I'm calling Dyfist on you! Dyfist. I can't say the word. This stupid expander and... Sorry if I decline. Well, of course you're gonna decline, because my masterpieces are not good enough for you! Oh my god, this is a nice masterpiece. You know what scares me? This is going to be replacing my good masterpiece I have. Let's do it. I'm going to give him my elephant. And, yeah. Ow, my eye. I'm just like, I can't get over the fact that a party would do that to me. He would not have his jamograms open. Oh, I yelled. I'm sorry. Open. So I can gift him the gift of a compliment. I'll gift him a compliment. Most people would accept this. Probably not you, though. Or a mean one. Mr. Headless Lady. Yes, you are. I feel like I'm sounding weirder and weirder the more I talk. This lady's like, butthole. That was like too long to be a declining. I'm going to be making a video of it. And she's showing everyone my crack trick. Popcorn my den. I don't know what. I'm just going to say popcorn my den. See what happens. Huh? What's happening? Deal, Mr. Panda. I will so accept the cheese hat. There you go. Oh my god, I'm an idiot! No! At least I got cheese for a hat. Popcorn my den. Well, I got a good item. Popcorn my den. Give away my list, my den. Let's go! I'm joking. Well, anyways, guys, that's it for now. And today, no more video for today. Goodbye. Hope you have a good day. And don't forget, don't smile. Don't smile. No, don't listen to my advice. I'm really bad at giving advice, guys. I haven't done that the whole video, and now I sound normal again. Okay, bye!